Hey folks, a little while ago I built this, which holds these little color swatch things that I found on printables. I love these things, they're really good. You can see like the light that goes through them, and all companies have slightly different colors with what they produce. So it's nice to just have like a baseline so you know generally what to expect when you do it. Now, in that original project, what I really wanted to do was have them be stackable, but I rethought that a little bit. One, because my design didn't really work out. It holds them great, like they're beautiful. It just doesn't stack, and I'm starting to run out of space. I actually have several more of these that I need to add to this, so this is actually going to be too full. But a little while ago, I also printed one of these guys, which I really like. They have little sliding locks here, so you can do that. There's a hinge system in the back, and then when you open it up, whenever I get it actually, oh, it's already unlocked. But when you go ahead and actually open it up, you can see there's internal storage, all kinds of cool stuff. So what I wanted to do is make something like this. This also has a case that goes around it, so you can do more of them, which is wild to me. What I wanted to do is make something like this down to this size. So let's go through that process. So the basic idea here was I opened up the old model that I had of the original one, cut off all the excess stuff of things that we're not using, and then I went through and added on a hinge mechanism and added a second part for the roof. I do some measurements and kind of figuring out and see where stuff's at. And there's a massive problem with the design. If you can find it now, good for you. If not, hold on, I'll show you. So I went through the print process and I have my two parts here. And the idea is that you just stick filament in the end here and it acts as the actual hinge part, which is really nice. The parts fit together wonderfully, but there is a problem. It's right there. Come on, camera. Yeah, it's right there. When I go to open this with the hinge, because this is a straight edge along there, right in there, it won't hinge. It just smacks into it. It runs into it. So what I had to go back and do real fast was go through and remodel it so that it had a little bit of a circular part here. So I just duplicated the part and fixed that part. And then I got this, which you can see is now rounded and removed from the edge there. It's not the super strongest joint in the world, but really it's just holding this on. And in all honesty, it doesn't need to. And then we can rotate it through and it works beautifully. The only real complaints I have about this thing is that this area is a little bit too tall, could be shorter and save a little bit of print time, a little bit of filament. But now what I can start doing is I can start popping these out. I can print multiples of these at any time that I want. And from there, I can just make sure I have them all. So maybe these are going to be all my blacks, and then all my blues are another one, all my reds are another one. Just to try to see what I can come up with there. But super simple little project. That is much closer to the original result that I wanted to have when I came up with that idea a long time ago. It's not there yet. I still need to do some work to this to get it to be where I want it to be, but I'm getting closer. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.